Hello students, I hope everyone is fine. We know that we are learning about knowing our numbers. We are learning about knowing our numbers. Let me recall about previous classes. In the previous class, I explained about Indian number system and international number system. Today we are going to learn about estimation. Then what is meant by estimation? You know that every day you are watching TV channels, everything, your newspapers, everything you are going to watch. In that you can see that sometimes what happening news will come. India drew with a Pakistan in a hockey match. By that match watched by 51,000 people and 41 million people watched by television. You can see that. See, exactly 51,000 people may watch in the stadium. No, we don't know exactly 51,000 people are there in the stadium or not. Or 41 million people are watched by television. We don't know exactly. We don't know. We cannot guess. For example, you are writing examination. You can guess exactly out of 100 you will get 99. 98, like this you can guess. No, approximate marks you can guess. For example, out of 100 you may get 90, you may get 80, you may get 70. Like this you can approximate, but we cannot say exactly these many marks you will get. See, in the so many situation we are doing what? Approximation. For example, you can see that sometimes in your home any functions you are arranging, means you may say exactly these many people will attend for your function. No, you can approximate, maybe 100, maybe 200, maybe 300 people will attend to my function. Like this you are going to guess or you are going to approximate certain numbers. This type of approximation we are going to call what? Estimation. Today we are going to discuss about estimation. You can see that here, see, first we are going to learn about estimating to nearest 10 tens by rounding off. We are going to estimate the given number to nearest tens. Tens means you can see that the tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are for tens places we are going to estimate to the given numbers. For example, first number I taken here 28. 28 I taken, we have to estimate this number to nearest tens place. To nearest tens place we have to estimate. You can see that 28 will occur between 20 and 30. 28 will comes between 20 and 30. So for 28, 30 is nearest or 20 is nearest. You can guess 30 is very nearest for 28. So which is the nearest tens place for 28? We can say that for 28, 30 is the nearest place. Nearest tens place. 30 becomes what? Nearest tens place. So 28, for 28, 30 becomes what? Nearest tens place. The same problem we can do by another method also. For example, if you take 28, now you can see that we are going to estimate for which place? We are going to estimate for tens place. Which is tens place here? Ones, tens. 2 is in tens place. We are going to estimate for tens place. See, you can observe it in the previous place. Previous place means ones place. You can see here. In the ones place, what number have here? 8. If in the ones place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 have means you have to take 0 as it is and no need to give carry for next place. You have to take as it is. If you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to give carry to next place and you have to take 0 in that place. Now you can see that here which number have here? 8 is there. So 8 means what we have to do? 8. We have to make it 0 and we have to, before only we said that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means what we have to do? We have to give carry to the next place. So 8 in this one's place becomes 0 and next place becomes 6. You give one carry here. You have to add that carry also. So 2 plus 1 become what? 3. Now in this way also we can find out the nearest tens place for given number. In the same way, I will take another one example, that is 32. We can identify 32 is very, you can identify 32 will comes between the number, between the tens 30 and 40. 30 and 40. So which is becomes nearest for 32? We can easily say that 30 become nearest for 32. Then in this way also we can identify, or another one way I already tell and given, that is you can see that 32. But for which place we are going to estimate? We are going to estimate for tens place, ones, tens. So we are going to estimate for tens place. So we have to consider which place? Previous place. Previous place is nothing but a ones place. In the ones place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 have means what I said, you no need to give carry for next place. You make it that place as a 0 and write it as it is. So in this way also you can find the nearest tens place for given numbers. I hope you understood about how to find nearest tens place by rounding off. Next we will go forward estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. We have to estimate here nearest 100 places. Now you can observe your children, 841. 841 will comes between 800 and 900. 800 and 900. So you have to calculate which is nearest 100 place for 841. Now you can see that 841 we have to estimate for which place? We have to estimate for 100 place. See, ones, tens, 100. See here 8 is in 100 place. We have to estimate for this place. So we have to consider what? Previous place. Previous place is nothing but a what here? That is tens place. In the tens place what number have here? 4. You can see that before only I said, if in the previous place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means you no need to take carry. This all number becomes what? 0, 0 and this number becomes what? 8. Now 800 is the nearest 100 for what? 841. 800 is becomes for 841 which is nearest 100 place 800. 800. In the same way, next year, one more example I taken. We can see that 9537. We have to estimate for which place? 100th place. We have to estimate for which place? 100th place. You can see that we have to take 9537. Now you can see that which is 100th place here? Ones, tens, 100. We don't want 1000 here. See, ones, tens, 100 because we are estimating for which place? 100 place. You can see here 100 place we are estimating. Previous place. Previous place what have here? 3. Previous place here? Tens place. Tens place what have? 3 have. See, if 3 have means what we have to do? You should not take carry. You have to take this number as a 0, 0. This 5 we have to take as it is. And 9 we should not make 0. 9 we have to take as it is. Now for 9537 the nearest 100 place is what? 9500. 9537 nearest 100 place is what? 9500. In this way we are going to find out the nearest hundreds for the given number. I hope you understood how to find the nearest tens by rounding off and how to find nearest 100 place by rounding off to the given numbers. If you have any doubt you can ask through WhatsApp children. I am going to give still more problems based on this concept. You have to solve and send through WhatsApp. Thank you.